I found out that I had a passion for gaming during my grade school years, and I decided that I wanted to be part of the art industry, which helps to make characters and the like for which go into video games. I found out about Backstage Pass via research, found out that it was the most affordable and the best college that I could possibly go to here in India. The first couple of years were rather easy as I had prior experience drawing, and right now, since we are diving into 3 software which requires finesse and more technique, I have been facing challenges, but I am able to overcome them because of my mentors who are there to help me every step of the way. They are very approachable and they are very kind. I think this is a great college for anybody that wants to pursue art as a career for gaming.